Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Today I would like to introduce you a Taiwan hosiery company named CHYAU KE. CHYAU KE was established in 1968. This factory is not only customizing socks for famous brands, but also doing their own brand, and the branding name is called KoolFree. For KoolFree, it has more than 500 different types of socks in stock, and also look for worldwide customers to distribute the KoolFree brand. At present, CHYAU KE is devoted to develop 3 series of socks in 2018. First is medical compression stockings. Second is sport compression socks. Third is professional sport socks. Now, let me introduce you their first Pomoline socks, medical compression stockings. For medical compression stockings, till 2004, after the functional socks were developed and techniques were upgraded, CHYAU KE was devoted to develop medical compression stockings. In order to comply with customers' needs, CHYAU KE is developed 3 series of compression medical socks for customers. First is comfortable series. Second is far infrared series. Third is microfiber series. Now, for those 3 series, the difference is only in their material, but the function of avoid varicose veins are all the same. And on production, they are all produced by Germany machines MERS and Italian machines Nonadi. Now let's see their production procedure. First is raw material inspection to check if there's any breaking yarn or thread out on yarn cover process. Second is weaving process. Use Germany machines MERS and Italian machines Nonadi to produce them. Third, sewing and trimming. Combine cotton socks into a tights. Fourth, dyeing process. Watering into dye container. Agents added like auxiliary dye stuff, acidifier, softening fasteners, and softening dehydrating. Fifth, quality assessment examine. Checking socks if there's any hitch, stain, uneven dyeing, color fasteners, and size inspection and pressure testing. Last, arrange packing and shipping. Second, I would like to introduce you their sport compression socks. Follow sporting trends. Before that, CHYAU KE had developed and designed professional compression sport socks. Their graduated pressure reduction weaving specifications are equal to medical compression stockings, and all of the manufacturing process and product inspections are also based on medical compression stockings in high standard process to produce them. Let me briefly to introduce you the functions of sport compression socks. When wearing sport compression socks, exercise can effectively reduce muscle vibration, retain kinetic energy to increase exercise performance, and assist the blood circulation loop to avoid lactic acid accumulation and relieve leg fatigue. And the last one that I want to introduce you is their professional sport socks. Except for the design of sport compression socks, CHYAU KE are also focused on every sport to design and develop professional sport socks. The features of those sport socks are: first is high density terry knit in 3 times sweat absorbing, 3 times dry, and 3 times heat resistancy. Second, follow each sport of possible injury position to improve protection design. Third, use anti-fungus and weaken yarn to protect athletes' foot health. Let's see some designs of their sport socks. First is marathon socks. Second is yoga socks. Third is badminton socks. Fourth is cycling socks. And the last one is basketball socks. CHYAU KE is willing to take more than 30 years of research and development experience and technology in functional socks and medical hosiery to offer worldwide customers in OEM, OBN, ODM service, and also look for promoting those quality socks that are beneficial to human health and also can be worn comfortably to the world so that more people can experience them and share them. CHYAU KE is welcome customers from all over the world to join their distribution team, and present there are more than 500 different types of socks in their KoolFree line, and are more than 1 million pairs of socks in sufficient supply capacity. CHYAU KE also sell their socks in KoolFree and CHYAU KE medical stores. To be KoolFree distributors, there's no stock pressure and also provide after-sales service and educational training so that distributors have no worries in their sales. CHYAU KE is looking forward to cooperating with you and open worldwide markets with you. Contact CHYAU KE now. Here's their contact email address, sarah@chyauke.com.tw, and check more hosiery information from their company website, www.koolfree.com.tw. CHYAU KE takes care of your foot health.